Good morning, बच्चों. So in the last class of electrochemistry, that was the first class, we have discussed about the galvanic cell or Daniell cell or electrochemical cell. There was one glass tube that is called salt bridge. So today we are going to start from salt bridge. Listen very carefully. This session is going to be very important. Salt bridge. What is salt bridge, children? Salt bridge is a inverted U-shaped tube. Salt bridge is a inverted U-shaped tube. This U-shaped tube filled with electrolyte. And which type of electrolyte? I told you inert electrolyte. So examples of inert electrolytes are KCl, KNO3, KCl, KNO3 and K2SO4, etc. Inert electrolyte means not like that, means they will inert. Actually they are reactive compound, but in the case of cell, whatever the cell we are using, then they must not be reacted by that particular solution. So in the case of that particular cell, copper zinc cell, we have to use KCl, Cl minus comes this side and K plus comes this side. In, what about the other thing? In agar powder, it's a type of powder for making it slippery. For making this inert electrolyte slippery, we have to use agar powder. In the case of agar powder, you can use gelatin also. So nobody, gelatin also. In the semi-liquid state, in the semi-liquid state, So this is about the salt bridge. Now we will discuss about the function of salt bridge. What is the function of salt bridge? Function. Actually, why we are using salt bridge? So what is the function? Function not like birthday party. It's use. Number one, it maintains the electrical neutrality I told you yesterday in first lecture of electrochemistry that after some time flow of electron can stop, then flow of current also will stop. So if we are using salt bridge, then if electron flow stops, then it provides more negative charge and it provides more positive charge and reaction will be continuous. Number two, it maintains the electrical neutrality. It completes the circuit. It completes the circuit by allowing flow of electrons. Number three, it minimizes the liquid junction potential. It minimizes the liquid junction potential. It minimize the liquid junction potential. This is new for us, this term, so we'll explain it. Suppose this is a tank, and here in this tank we are using two electrode. ऐसा तो होता नहीं कि सेल जो हम घड़ी का यूज करते हैं उसमें दो बल्टी लगी होती है, एक ही जगह पे होता है ना, तो एक ही जगह पे यहाँ पे इनके बीच में इनको ऐसे अलग किया गया है। ये तुम्हारा दिस इज आवर जिंक इलेक्ट्रोड एंड दिस इज कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड. सो इन द केस ऑफ जिंक there is a positive charge in the solution, I told you, and here negative charge, because negative charge on the plate and positive charge on the solution, and opposite or vice versa in the case of this copper. So this is the junction, and this it minimize the liquid junction potential. Potential means difference, so it minimize the difference. If it is they are working, they can neutralize each other, so flow of current will stop. But if we are using salt bridge, then it minimize the liquid junction potential and our process will be spontaneous. So this is about the function of salt bridge, children. Very important topic. Now the next topic, condition for electrolytes. Condition for electrolytes. Which type of electrolyte we can use? So condition for electrolytes. Next topic is condition for electrolytes. Condition for electrolyte. So number one, condition for electrolyte, inert. It should be inert. Inert means non-reactive. Inert means non-reactive. Suppose we are using KCl, so KCl dissociate K plus and Cl minus. Means ions do not react with any of ion do not react with any of ion present in half cell. It does not react, do not react. Suppose, although if we are using zinc sulfate, so in the case of zinc, Zn plus 2 Cl minus, it can make ZnCl2. It can make ZnCl2, but this ZnCl2 is highly soluble. This ZnCl2 is highly soluble, and just जैसे ही ZnCl2 बनता है वो फिर से Zn plus 2 और 2Cl minus में फिर कम हो जाता है. That's why there is no effect in the case of KCl inert electrode. So we have to use only ion do not react with any ion present in half cell. ऐसे इलेक्ट्रोड यूज करना है जिनके आयन रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे हाफ सेल से. यहाँ पे हो रहा है लेकिन दैट इज हाईली सोल्यूबल, सो इट कैन अगेन ब्रेक डाउन इनटू Zn plus 2 and Cl minus, so there is no effect. अगला पॉइंट है गुड आयनिक मोबिलिटी एंड इक्वल मोबिलिटी ऑफ कैटायन एंड एनायन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, good ion mobility means they can go easily, good ion mobility and equal mobility of cation and anion. This is very important children. अगर इनर्ट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट की मोबिलिटी कैटायन और एनायन की इक्वल नहीं होगी, पता लगे Cl पहले चला गया या ज़्यादा चला गया और K कम जा पाया, तब भी दिक्कत है। तो इक्वल मोबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, बराबर मोबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, ऐसे इलेक्ट्रोड हमें यूज करनी है। दिस टाइप इलेक्ट्रोड वी हैव टू यूज। बोथ अगर ऐसा ज़्यादा कंबाइंड हो जाएंगे तो न्यूट्रलाइज नहीं होंगे हाफ सेल, तो लिखना पड़ेगा बोथ हाफ सेल न्यूट्रलाइज्ड साइमल्टेनियसली, बोथ हाफ सेल न्यूट्रलाइज्ड साइमल्टेनियसली, एक साथ न्यूट्रलाइज होने चाहिए। चलो, ये तो थे कंडीशन फॉर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट। अब हम बात करेंगे सेल को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं। नाउ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। Children, it's very interesting. Representation of cell. Suppose M2 Mn plus. It is in solid state, it is in aqueous state. M n plus M. This is aqueous and this is solid. And two khali pi between them. This is called salt bridge. We know that left is oxidation, so this is oxidation and this is reduction. You can check it easily. 0 plus oxidation number is going to increase, then oxidation. N plus say 0, oxidation number is going to decrease, then reduction. Simple. So in that zinc cell, if you are writing zinc copper cell, so Zn solid, Zn plus 2 aqueous salt bridge, copper plus 2 aqueous copper solid. This is the representation. This is oxidation half cell. You can write oxidation half cell OHC, reduction half cell RHC. Oxidation half cell and reduction half cell. Cell reaction. How to write cell reaction? Cell reaction. How to write? So if you are watching it, then this zinc is losing 2 electron. This is oxidation half cell, and this copper accepting 2 electrons. You can write physical state solid, aqueous, solid. So these are the cell reaction. In net cell reaction, you can write in net cell reaction, electrons should be cancelled. If you are writing net cell reaction, so what's going to happen here? Here it is automatically cancelled. So it will be Zn solid, copper plus 2 aqueous, it gives Zn plus 2 aqueous, copper solid. This is net cell reaction. net self reaction. इलेक्ट्रॉन शुड बी कैंसिल. अगर कैंसिल नहीं हो रहे हैं तो एनी हाउ यू हैव टू कैंसिल. यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई समथिंग. सो लेट्स सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन. हाउ क्वेश्चन इज Ni plus 2. This is solid, this is aqueous, salt base. Ag plus Ag, solid, aqueous. Write cell reaction. Write cell reaction. Very simple. First you have to write oxidation half cell. This is oxidation and this is reduction. So nickel solid loses 2 electron, then silver accept 1 electron and convert it into Ag. Now 1 electron, 2 electron, how will you cancel it? This you have to multiply by 2, then electrons will be cancelled. Nickel solid plus 2 Ag plus multiplied by 2. Aqueous, it gives nickel plus 2 aqueous plus 2 Ag solid. This is the net cell reaction. So this way we can represent cell reaction. Electrode potential will be the next topic. Thank you.